Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing something different than I usually do. As you guys can see, there is a sewing machine on the table, but there is nothing on it. It's not even turned on. There's no clothes on top of there. I will not be sewing anything, but I just have a little bit details that I want to share with you guys, and it's going to be on how I thread the sewing machine. Like, how do I get it ready before I sew anything on. And I just wanted to share this part with you guys, and maybe there is somebody who also use the same sewing machine as me and want to learn how to thread it, or like this is their first time and they're having a hard time how to use it or anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and start showing you guys how I thread my sewing machine. Here are some of the things that you'll need in order to thread the machine. Here, I don't know how you call this, but you need it to hold the thread on the back. And here is, I have this thread. I usually use whenever this finish, I usually get more from here because sometimes it's hard to get the black thread, so I just get these big one, almost like O2, to just use it all the time. And here there's more stuff. There's more stuff in here, and it's not turned on yet, but I'm just gonna show you. Before you sew, guys, make sure, let me say this, it's gonna be hard, but make sure your bobbin, this is called a bobbin. So every time you run out of bobbin, you cannot sew anything. So make sure you fill it out, or if you have 2 of them or 3 or more, it doesn't matter how many you have. Just make sure that they are filled up, because when you are sewing something, not just something, every time you sew something, make sure they all fill up, because sometimes they run out that quick and you really into something you really need it to finish on the same day, and this little thing here keeps on running out. It wastes people time. So therefore, I just want to share with you guys that make sure your bobbin is filled all the time whenever you open your machine. And that's it. Those are some of the things that I'll be needing. And of course, this little pink bag I have this little bag where I keep most of my sewing things that I need. And we're just gonna get moving in what I will be doing today, which is threading the whole machine. So first, as I was saying, you have to make sure that this bobbin here is filled, and filled more if you have it doesn't matter how many you have, again, just fill them up, because you don't know when it's gonna run out of thread when you need it. So the first thing you need is, you make sure you insert the bobbin in here. Make sure the thread is on this side, and the bobbin part is finished. And I have to also, you have to thread the up from, as I don't know how to explain this, but you just have to, let me see, from here, that's where you put the, oh, look at my arm. Anyways, from this side, that's where you put the thread, like the regular thread. This here, you put it right here, and for it to be hold, like whenever you're sewing, for it not to move, you have to put the circle thing that I showed you guys before. I need to get at least 3 of those because they get lost that quick. I don't know why. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the thread here and you follow this little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but no, that's not the one. Hold on, what am I doing? Here. See, there is a 1 there. That's a 4 actually. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the thread. Let me just do it here. You insert. You have to make sure it goes under here. Oh man, come here. Come hold the phone for me. You just have to like make sure it goes under here, and you have to follow. So after you put it in this little hook here, hook is the word actually, hook, you have to bring it down like right here, and then you will take it back on the other side. So for you to bring it back down again, because it goes 5 with on the bottom, you have to move this handle here, in order to like, I don't know if you guys can see it, the thing is moving. It has to be up. So you're gonna go back. You're gonna go back here, and it's gonna, the thread is actually gonna get hooked at the, I don't know if I'm explaining it. I don't know. I'm trying my best to explain it to you how it goes, but it goes like that, the way I just did it, and then on the bottom you have to like make sure it goes under somewhere. But yeah, it's gonna be hard for me. But as long as you get it under here, the last step for you to do is to search for the needle. You search for the needle, make sure it's up, and then just there. That was a little smooth than I expected, but yeah, and you just pull it. Ooh. There, you got the needle in, I mean the thread in the needle, and what you're gonna need is to put this back where it was before. Where it was before, and you're done on the threading style, on the threading part. But make sure before you sew anything, people, you should always pull, make sure like the bobbin part is well fixed. So you have, what I usually do is use one of these. It's the same thing, it just depends on which one is closer to me. So you get one of these, it's oil. Again, you open it up, you open it, make sure, I just cleaned it like a few days ago, like a week, but you have to make sure the inside is well cleaned, and you're gonna get a paper. I don't really have, not a paper, yeah, a paper might work, or a fabric, or I'll be using a tissue. You just have to put have to put oil on the tissue or the fabric that you have. And let me see, you open. And make sure that it's wet. you just, I don't know how to explain, but just make sure that the inside is also clean. That's the word. You just clean it, and inside is clean, and you just like some of you, if you have a car, you know you have to like oil change and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, this is like changing oil. So you just put the oil inside there, and you ready to go. Once that part is clean, everything's gonna be easy for you. Once this side is, excuse Benjamin. Once this part is also like finished and everything, you're ready to go. All you're gonna do is just turn on the machine. It is not plugged. It's not plugged right now, so I'm not gonna do that. But all you gotta do is just turn on the machine, and you pick one of these style that you want. There is regular, zigzag, and many more. So you pick from here how you want the thread to look in the fabric, clothes, and everything. And I guess that's it. Once you do that, you're ready to go. Anything you put on this machine is ready to go. You just turn it on by plugging all the wire that I showed you guys in that first video that I did about sewing haul. I think that's the title. So there, once you check that out, you guys will find out everything. And yeah, that's how you thread Brother Sewing Machine. If you are interested in like sewing or anything, this is the easiest machine you can get, I think, because it doesn't go fast. I heard people saying that there's some sewing machine that goes fast and everything. This, it depends on how you press. It's like a car. I'll show you guys a handle that you use in the previous video that I did. So it just depends on how fast you press, how slow you press, and it's gonna take you the way you want it. And I think that's it. I should see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave everything in my description box below. Just make sure you subscribe, and yeah, comment below on what video you want to see next on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.